Hi, how do you? Today you can see I'm going to draw a night sky here. So this is a colorful sky which is seen during the night to the North Pole, and some fantastic dreaming scenery you can see here. Now I'm going to put the colors, which is the mountain trees, which is going to show. Okay, so after doing the trees, the scenery is going to be completed. Okay, so let's draw the graphics of the few trees here. This is in the bottom. All right, let's rotate the canvas a little bit. Drawing the trees here. The height should be longer in some cases. Awesome. So the clear visualization you can see. All right. Just putting the graphics of the bigger trees. Looks good. Okay, using the brushes you can see the mountain trees getting high. First we are going to draw the basic shapes, then we are going to do the details. All right. Awesome. So we're just drawing the top. You can see the details is nice here. Okay. Also doing the other top. So these trees just define the beauties of the nighttime moments. as you can see. Okay. All these details need to be taken care of. Okay. Now we can see the top of this portion here. Just the gradual progression. All right. Let's see another top. So when you draw the painting, just remember that all the details you have to do is very carefully, and don't do it too hastily. Do not do hurry and doing it in fast. Just go on with your own space, own pace, and keep the pace moving, and the drawing and the painting is going to be very good in this case. All right, so most of the paintings, this part is almost complete. You can see now on the few left. Let's go for the other ones. So this one is on the left side, you can see. Okay, let's put the head on it. All right, only this part you can see. Detailing, just we're going to the last part of the borders, you can see here. Okay. All right, so after the drawing, you can see it's showing the special cases of the top parts. They're showing the peak of the trees, and in the bottom, let's make it little deeper, just filling up some colors. Okay, maybe this brush is going to help us, the bigger brush. Okay, just filling up the bottom with a solid color. Okay, putting the solid colors. If you like, you can put some the shades of the white on the one-sided of the tree, so that you can show the reflections. You can see, just putting little part in some spaces, doing like this. Okay, also each of the tree you are going to put the same thing. All right, so you can see the colors going on here. The white part just showing the nice appearance. Okay, and in case of the dark green color, you're just putting it sorry, on the one side. You can see the colors in a combinations of the white color. Coming up the whole part like this. Just the big shadows. There's the details. So I hope you like the drawings. This looks good. Awesome drawings during the night sky. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thank you so much. Have a good day.